All right, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Cavasuers, Cavasutresses. I don't know if that's the plural of. It's a very, very cold day in Baltimore, 30 degrees. But nonetheless, we decided to bring the Tanoa outside and try out this Tikaram's Fijian Waka, which is something I ordered off Amazon and I haven't tried yet. It's probably like the 70th kava that I've tried. And it comes in this, somewhat annoying packaging. As you can see, it's just a bag that you tear open. It doesn't have any resealable options. Probably a little difficult to maintain, but I guess that's why there's Tupperware and Ziploc bags and whatnot. Anyways, it is deceptively cold, freezing cold, like literally freezing cold.
Yeah, it's ridiculously cold. It looks really sunny.
Yeah, it looks nice.
We're taking advantage of the sunshine.
Yeah,
it is cold.
Yeah, you got to get your vitamin D to battle that cold depression. Yep.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Looks good.
Yeah.
Looks fine. All right. I'm gonna put my gloves back on, and I can't operate the camera with my right hand gloved. So I'm gonna pause this while the kava is made, and then we'll proceed. All right, ladies and gentlemen, drink it before it freezes.
Yeah, right.
We can make some kava cubes out here. That's for sure.
Yeah.
If you left this out overnight.
Yeah. Gee, my hands. Woo.
I know, man. Yeah, I was feeling for you when you were over there squeezing.
It's all good.
When there's 30 degree weather.
Dry so they don't crack.
Yeah, like you were saying, it's good to it's actually when your hands are in the water, it's not so bad, right? But then when you take them out, that's when the pain.
Yeah, that's my bad. I got frostbite.
Yep.
All right.
Here, you wanna?
All right, the man himself.
Let's do this. I'm coming at you from Be More. Is this the scoop or is this the scoop?
Whichever.
Coming at you from Be More, Maryland, Balmer, Maryland.
All right.
Fijian. What's it called again? Tikarama? That's it. I don't think it's Tikarama. That sounds like a cartoon.
It's Tikarama, but Tikarams.
Tikarams.
But you know how
I added
the Anglo pronunciation always gets the emphasis Rams. It might be Tikarams.
I added a vowel.
Tikarams.
Right. Hula to the hula. We're gonna rush these shells so we can get back inside where it's. All right. Interesting. It has a little bit of like an instant kava flavor. And I feel like I might have said that about the Kisa kava too, but it's smooth. I'm not getting much of a numbing effect right off the bat. It's got that instant kava flavor. See what Chug says to say. Of course, no judgments can be made until the kava dances with the bloodstream.
Get some
The noble
blood
dance.
in my hands.
Yeah. Bula. It's got that like canned instant kava kind of. You see what I'm saying? Dehydrated kind of kava juice.
Yeah, kind of like that, but no, I mean, I think it's just really heavy on the. It seems to have that more of a nutty flavor. I wonder if it's got more of the what's it called when you've got more of that bottom part of the stem in there?
The casa? Yeah.
Yeah, I think it has a nice creamy kind of texture. Oh yeah, and the color is this really rich, almost caramel color.
Yeah, it is. It's got a nice color to it, and a nice consistency.
Yeah, and it comes on real light. It's not like a pow,
Right.
But yeah, I'm starting to kind of feel myself kind of wash into this crunk. It's very nice.
Yeah, it doesn't have that like squanchy kind of oily squanchiness to it. That I drink squanch every day. Like every day I get home from work and I drink like 3 tablespoons of squanch.
Yeah.
So maybe I'm so used to it that everything's kind of coming across a little thinner.
Yeah, I mean, but this is incredibly drinkable.
Yeah, oh yeah, definitely.
Oh yeah, I think it's nice and smooth.
Definitely drinkable.
Nice and smooth.
And actually, I'm starting to feel the effects come on.
Yeah,
and they're very grounding.
Yeah, they're coming on kind of nice and slow, and really, man.
Mellow shallow.
Yeah, I can feel my eyelids kind of drooping a little bit.
Yeah.
I can feel the numbing more of on the sides of my tongue, so it's not so it's not super peppery. It's got more of a just kind of a laid back, kind of drinkable feel. Very good.
Are you sure that numbness isn't the 30 degree weather?
Honestly, now in my hands, they're starting to feel a little bit less numb. I don't know if maybe they're just drying off a bit. Or
maybe you've entirely lost feeling.
But I do think the kava's kind of like sort of like rushing
That's
through
true.
me, getting into my limbs a little bit.
That's right. I feel that a little bit as well.
So yeah, let's have a few more shells and reassess.
Yeah, we'll reassess. I think we'll probably reassess from the house.
Yeah, I think that's a good plan.
All right, Bula. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the kava, the Tikarams, not Tikaram, Tikaram's kava, available on Amazon for $25 a half pound. We've been drinking it for like 3 hours, or 2 hours and 45 minutes.
Yeah.
I don't know. We like how many tablespoons total have we had?
We had a really comfortable rate. So we had our first Tanoa was a good seven heaping tablespoons, and then I did a second wash and I added another 3 tablespoons to the second wash.
So we probably drink like this is a half pound, so like maybe like a quarter of this. So
yeah,
that'd be like an eighth of a pound of kava.
Yeah,
and like I'm like surprisingly like pretty mellow. I feel it's pretty strong.
Oh yeah, really. I mean, it kind of gives you that like deep feeling in your eyelids, kind of glazed over.
Yeah.
And I kind of have a really relaxed muscles and body.
Yeah.
Really keeps you in your seat.
And we've been having some like excellent discourse, some excellent conversations over the Tanoa here, and that's always a good sign of a good like Fijian Waka. Like to me, that's kind of like what like a strong, potent, uplifting kava should do. And I'd say that like some key takeaways for this kava are that it's really smooth, it goes down really easily. And like the fact that you can buy it on Amazon and get it within a couple of days for $25, it's gonna be really good for people who are like experimenting with kava or trying to get into kava, because of its like flavor and because of its effects and because of its value as well. So I would definitely recommend it to that crowd, and the crowd of people who drink tons of kava. It's not going to disappoint.
Yeah, if you if you like having a few different kavas on your shelf, but you don't drink a lot of Fijian kava, I mean, this is a half pound, and you can get it for the same price that people are normally getting pounds and even kilos. So
yeah,
that's really cool.
Yeah, absolutely. So Bula to Tikaram's Fijian Waka, it's good stuff. And we'll see you soon, folks. Thanks for tuning in.